While it is possible to have biology and even intelligent beings in an oxygen-free environment, the absence of a reliable fire source would prevent the development of advanced technology. This is because higher technology necessitates fuel and the ability to melt materials. Life on Earth emits distinct signals that can be detected in the atmosphere. Photosynthesis is the ultimate cause of the elevated quantities of oxygen and the formation of the dense ozone layer. Microorganisms release methane and nitrous oxide into the atmosphere, while seaweeds release chloromethane gas. When these molecules are found in significant amounts, they serve as indications of life and are referred to as atmospheric biomarkers. Detecting these substances inside the atmosphere of an exoplanet should, hypothetically, serve as a method for determining the presence of life on extraterrestrial planets. Researchers are broadening their investigation into the existence of extraterrestrial life by considering not just biological markers such as oxygen, but also indications of advanced technology. This change in emphasis highlights a crucial component commonly linked to existence as we are familiar with, which is the oxygen molecule. Nevertheless, its importance transcends the field of biology, encompasses the domain of cutting-edge technology on a cosmic magnitude. Their research emphasizes the complex correlation between atmospheric oxygen and the development of sophisticated technology on remote worlds. The researchers highlights the need of being prepared to identify life forms that exist outside of Earth and raises the topic of how the environment on other planets can provide clues about the presence of intelligent species capable of creating advanced technologies. We are prepared to detect indications of life on other planets, but how might the environmental circumstances of a planet provide insights into the potential existence of intelligent, technologically advanced species? Upon examining the possibility of an atmospheric composition that can sustain advanced technology and coexist with its presence, it appears that the atmospheric requirements are likely to be very strict. The pair presents the notion of technospheres, expansive realms of sophisticated technology that generate distinct signals, known as technosignatures, which serve as evidence of extraterrestrial intelligence. They contend that oxygen is not only crucial for breathing and metabolism in multicellular animals, but also vital for the ignition and sustenance of fire, which is a fundamental element of advanced civilization. On Earth, the advancement of technology has relied on the capacity to harness open-air combustion, which involves the combination of fuel and an oxidant, usually oxygen, to generate fire. Combustion has played a crucial role in building industrial societies, enabling various activities such as cooking, metal forging, and energy harnessing. The experts investigate the historical path of Earth and find that the utilization of fire and subsequent improvements in metallurgy were only possible when the quantities of oxygen in the atmosphere reached or above 18%. This discovery suggests that only planets with substantial levels of oxygen can form advanced technospheres that are capable of producing detectable technosignatures. While it is possible to have biology and even intelligent beings in an oxygen-free environment, the absence of a reliable fire source would prevent the development of advanced technology. This is because higher technology necessitates fuel and the ability to melt materials. Curiously, the oxygen levels necessary for the biological sustenance of complex life and intelligence are lower than those needed for technology. According to the study, a species may undergo evolution in an environment lacking sufficient oxygen, but it is improbable for it to advance into a technologically advanced species. High oxygen levels are essential for the existence of a technological species. Without sufficient oxygen, all other favorable conditions may be present, but the attainment of technological advancement is impossible. This observation in the quest for intelligent life beyond Earth emphasizes the significance of giving priority to planets that possess elevated quantities of oxygen when conducting searches for signs of advanced extraterrestrial civilization. Implications and future study should prioritize planets with elevated oxygen levels, since their atmospheres could serve as a crucial signal for identifying potential technosignatures. Prioritizing the selection of planets with high oxygen levels is crucial, as it could provide valuable insights into the presence of potential technosignatures in exoplanet atmospheres. However, it is important to exercise caution when interpreting such findings, considering the significant implications of discovering intelligent technological life on another planet. Additionally, it is essential to maintain a skeptical approach towards technosignatures originating from planets with insufficient atmospheric oxygen. The ramifications of encountering intelligent, technologically advanced life on another celestial body would be substantial. It is imperative that we exercise great prudence in our interpretation of any detections. It is prudent to approach with skepticism any technosignatures originating from a planet that lacks an adequate amount of atmospheric oxygen. Oxygen is essential in the investigation of exoplanets, which are celestial objects that orbit stars outside of our solar system. The detection of oxygen in the atmosphere of an exoplanet is a crucial factor in the quest for alien life, as it is an essential component for life as we understand it on our world. Scientists employ sophisticated telescopes to examine the light emitted by faraway stars, which traverses the atmospheres of exoplanets. Spectroscopy is the process that enables researchers to determine the chemical makeup of these atmospheres. Detection of oxygen indicates the potential for the planet to support life. The production of oxygen in the atmosphere of an exoplanet can occur through a range of processes, with photosynthesis being the predominant mechanism on Earth. Plants and certain microbes engage in this process, which results in the release of oxygen as a byproduct. Nevertheless, the mere presence of oxygen does not ensure the presence of life. Additionally, it can be generated via non-biological mechanisms, such as the splitting of water vapor into its constituent elements through the action of ultraviolet radiation. Consequently, scientists seek a mixture of gases such as oxygen, methane, and carbon dioxide in precise proportions that would indicate a living source. Moreover, the level of oxygen present in the atmosphere of an exoplanet can offer valuable information regarding its potential to support life. Inadequate oxygen levels may indicate an unwelcoming atmosphere, whilst excessive amounts could imply a rampant greenhouse effect, such to that observed on Venus. The study of exoplanets, with a specific emphasis on oxygen and other chemicals that indicate the presence of life, is an intriguing and cutting-edge field in the field of astronomy. It not only enhances our comprehension of the universe, but also puts us nearer to resolving the timeless inquiry on why we exist in solitude inside the cosmos. Oxygen is present in the gaseous hot world without any contribution from living organisms. However, this discovery is a significant indication that the chemical makeup of atmospheres in distant worlds can be determined. This discovery has the potential to eventually enable the identification of air biomarkers indicating the presence of life on planets outside our solar system. Considering our limited exploration of a minuscule portion of the vast number of planets estimated to exist inside our galaxy, it suggests that the presence of life is widespread throughout the cosmos. The presence of chemicals in a planet's atmosphere alters the light that traverses it, resulting in distinct chemical markers in the star's spectrum. By employing this methodology, astronomers have already inferred a plethora of data regarding the prevailing circumstances of expansive, scorching exoplanets. Biomarkers would be discovered using similar methods, but the signal is anticipated to be sufficiently feeble that scientists will require a comprehensive comprehension grounded on theoretical models in order to interpret the real data. The advancement of technology and civilization on Earth has been intricately linked with the acquisition of fire, a pivotal breakthrough that significantly influenced the trajectory of human development. Nevertheless, within the immense scope of the cosmos, is it plausible that extraterrestrial societies exist that have evolved without utilizing the energy derived from combustion? The inquiry into the possibility of extraterrestrial civilizations evolving in the absence of fire pushes the limits of our imaginative capacity. As we further investigate the cosmos and its potential residents, acknowledging a variety of potential paths for technological advancement enhances our comprehension of the vast cosmic landscape that stretches beyond our planet. The development of technology and civilization on Earth has been intricately linked with the acquisition of fire, a pivotal breakthrough that influenced the trajectory of human advancement. Nevertheless, within the immense scope of the cosmos, is it conceivable that extraterrestrial societies exist that have evolved without utilizing the energy derived from combustion? This essay examines the unorthodox possibility, analyzing the consequences of such a situation and the probable routes for technological progress in the absence of fire. Fire has been vital to the progress of human civilization, facilitating essential functions such as food preparation, heat generation, and security. It served as a catalyst for many scientific advancements, resulting in breakthroughs in metallurgy, agriculture, and energy generation. When considering the existence of alien civilizations, we frequently use our own encounters and advancements in technology. Nevertheless, the extensive range of possible planetary settings compels us to contemplate different trajectories for the emergence of sophisticated civilizations. The presence of diverse atmospheres, compositions, and environmental conditions on various planets may make it unlikely for fire to develop in the same way that it does on Earth. Severe caustic or oxygen-depleted conditions may impede the spontaneous combustion of substances. The consistent stream of reports regarding molecular biosignatures detected on celestial bodies other than Earth can be attributed mostly to the James Webb Space Telescope. In September of the previous year, it identified the presence of carbon dioxide on Europa, a moon of Jupiter, which seems to originate from its hidden ocean that might potentially support life. Additionally, it detected the existence of dimethyl sulfide on the exoplanet K2-18b, a compound that is exclusively formed by living organisms on Earth. K2-18b is classified as a Hycean planet, a hypothetical planetary form characterized by the presence of liquid water seas beneath a hydrogen atmosphere, are considered highly promising for supporting life. Super-Earths and sub-Neptunes are typically regarded as being larger and more massive than Earth. Density data suggests that both of these types of planets are composed of rock. Hycean planets likely support exclusively aquatic life forms. The presence of abundant water in their compositions suggests that Hycean planets can be larger in size compared to non-Hycean planets, hence facilitating the identification of biosignatures. Terrestrial and space observatories, such as the James Webb Space Telescope, may soon be used to examine Hycean worlds for signs of life. Although Earth is currently the sole known abode of life in the universe, recent advancements in our understanding of habitable zones around other stars, coupled with the identification of numerous exoplanets and our growing knowledge of extreme environments on Earth where extremophiles thrive, indicate that there could be a significantly greater number of habitable locations in the universe than previously believed.